Mu rukiko rubagizireho ahari Kalia Courts Hotel mu rurembo rwa Fort Portal, Deborah Baguma arukwebembera ebyoburambuzi mu Fort Portal City azira ngo eibura ry'amakuru agahikire ahabyoburambuzi n'ekicyumbagiza emirimo. Kandi abantu nyamwingi abarukora mu byoburambuzi nebanga kuhayo amakuru agarukwetengesa.
Obulemezi obukiro bungi obuturukira kutangatangana mu kutunga data n'urundi information itukubantu yataga abantu abakiro wingi nibetinira kutu information yon ekyo kubanza nebatina ngo information ntwenda gikozesa kubagirike emisoro kwesanga ngo umuntu naje kusasura umusoro mwingi abwakuba akwire enamba yabagenya abakurara mu hoteli ye obundi abwakuba akwirize enamba yabagenya abarukubunga ha tourism attraction.
Abahangu ombyo burambuzi nebagirango nekikuru abantu kuhereza amakuru agahikire.
As a tourism sector nutuyataga information nyingi na data nyingi kurora ngo twasemezamu mu planning, twasemezamu mu decision making, twasemezamu mu ntwamu ezituru kukora kurora ngo twakorakoraniza sector ya tourism.
Data kintu kikuru itwana ngo tukimanyire abakuba data rundi information rundi ebintu ebiserulizibweho nibe kutuyamba kukora emirimo yitu etukora nk'abantu. So nyonka marketeer obukutunga data nikinyanguhira kumanya.
Amurukiko ru ababeire barimo bashabire government okutekaho emiringo eyo kubasa kutungamu amakuru agahikire okuruga ombantu abari ombyo burambuzi agu baracenchure bakagatebekanisa kwera abantu abandi.
Nisaba abeho police eyo kugamba nti buli muntu wena araba naija kurara mu kikaro hotel inakuba ne registeringa ogo muntu arugire nka buli information yone yokumkwataho kandi inakubaho ejo police ne gamba nti ngu register inakuba negenda mbagitwara mbagitwara to submit it.
The modality whereby we can have a software system which is regulated by the city council or maybe the tourism officers within the city council to make sure that each and every facility has the same software system.
I would suggest that the Ministry of Tourism should come up with a software that collects data generally. When clients check in, when clients come in, there is a registration on a software system where it is accessed by any entity that is in need of the information.
Abahangu nabaraburangu okubura ebirukuruga omukuchondoza ebihikire nikichwa entekateka z'abantu okukira munonga abo abarukubane benda kusharamu okuza kurambura hamwe nabo abarukwenda kuteka esente ombyo burambuzi. Gasha kwa Justin Nyakisiki ahabwa Tayari West.
But you still blame Fort Portal City